Hello, my name is Milind Baviskar. Today's date is 20 October 22. So today's video topic is naming conventions in Java. A programmer is always said to write clean codes where naming has to be appropriate so that for any other programmer it acts as an easy way out to read the code. At a smaller level, this seems meaningless, but think of the industrial level where it becomes necessary to write certain rules been laid of which one of the factors is to name the keyword, right, which is a term as a naming conventions in Java. For example, when you are using a variable name depositing displacement, then it should be named as a displace or a similar. Likewise, x d, which becomes complex as the code widens up and decreases the readability aperture. Consider the below instructions to get a better understanding, which later on we will be discussing in detail. So first one is the illustrations. In illustration there is a class. If you are naming any class, then it should be a noun, and so should be named as per the goal to be achieved in the program, such as add two numbers, reverse string, and so on, not likely a1 programming, etc. It should be specific, pointing what exactly is there inside without glancing at the body of the class. Second one is interface. If you are naming an interface, it should look like an adjective, such as consider the existing ones like runnable, serializable, etc. Try to use able at the end. Yes, it is said to try as there are no hard and fast bound rules. As if we do consider an inbuilt interface such as remote, it is not having a able at the end. Consider if you are supposed to create an interface to make read operations, then it is suggested as per naming conventions in Java to name a similar likely readable interface. Third one is methods. Now, if we do look closer, a method is supposed to do something that it does contains in its body. Henceforth, it should be a verb. Constant, as the name suggests, it should look like as we read. It looks like it is fixed. Or example, pi, etc. follows. Naming conventions in Java. So in Java, it is a good practice to name class, variables, and methods name as what they are actually supposed to do instead of naming them randomly. Below are some naming conventions of the Java programming language. They must be followed while developing software in Java for good maintenance and readability of the code. Java uses a came class as a practice for writing names of methods, variables, classes, packages, and constants. So this is the naming conventions in Java. Camel's case in Java programming consists of compound words or phrases such that each word or abbreviation begins with a capital letter or first word with a lowercase letter. Rest all with a capital. Thank you.